Hi, I'm Pipino Red. I'm the new member of Pipino Squad. Pipino Squad is amazing, so I enjoyed it. I talked to the leader, so I can join. I will face reveal soon.